Here's how to create a YouTube channel in 2024 step by step with the latest optimization techniques to ensure your channel is optimized to get the maximum views you can get, including many key optimization features that most people miss. Let's start with step 1, which is actually creating an account. And if you already have a Google account, you can skip this part here, but if you simply scroll down and click on create account and then select for businesses, if you're going to you are creating YouTube as a business. From here you can enter your first and last name in the next click, and from here enter basic information such as your birthday and a few other things that you may be asked to confirm, your phone number, and then they will ask you to put the Gmail you want to secure, and then from there you will have a Gmail account where you can create your YouTube channel with. Now, when you already have a Google account, what you can do is click on your profile picture on the top right, and then from here go to setting, then click on create a new channel, and you can have different channels under on Google account. From here you can simply click on create a channel, and you can give your channel a name, so we can simply enter our favorite channel name here. Make sure you use a password manager to save your Google account password. It will help you a lot. I recommend use Bitwarden, which is completely free. And if you need help finding your YouTube channel name, you can simply go to the ChatGPT website. Give me 30 YouTube channel name idea for a channel about, for example, making money online, health, luxury life, and etc. And you can put any topic here, and then you can easily or different idea prepare for you. For example, here I want 30 idea for the topic of health. Easily AI will do it for me with all these ideas that you get here. Make sure you run them thought. You have to search for these names on YouTube that are not already registered as a channel name, and there are no big channel with that name. But you can tell the artificial intelligence to choose name for you that did not exist on YouTube before. Now we move on the third step, which is to customize your channel. Once you have to create your YouTube channel, you can access it anytime just by clicking on your profile picture and then clicking view your channel. It's very easy to add a profile picture, then it lets you upload a new profile picture here. Create a profile, a picture that looks very professional. I recommend using a website called sniper.com, but basically you can get great picture online create, and we just want to use one photo. But if you are creating faceless channel, here you can choose size and customize, and here you need to create a banner image that will be shown in the background of your YouTube channel. All we have need to do is go this website, go, and they have a YouTube banner template here, and it's 2560 by 1450 for the dimensions you can use, and it gives you a lot of templates, and you can use any of these templates. As you can see, You can easily change the text. You can even use the logos of social networks like Twitter and Instagram here. And you can even put your photo or logo in this banner, and from this section you can download, and at the end we will upload your banner. In the watermark section you can also put the text or the subscribe sign in the section so that the audience will see it while watching the video. You can be subscribed. You can leave it blank, but I recommend using a logo. Now, step 4 now unlocks all the features of your channel. For example, adding custom thumbnails on your videos to get people to click on them requires more approval. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Right now, click on your profile picture in the top right and then select YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio will be the hub for checking your changing analytics setting, which will actually be your YouTube channel scene. And from your YouTube analytics, you can scroll down right here, and then from setting click on channel, then click on future eligibility from here to unlock custom thumbnails, which is totally a must do. Just confirm your phone number, so you click on confirm phone number, enter your number right here and confirm. Now all features are active here. For example, you can upload more video every day, and you can apply for monetization to put ads on your video and make more money that way. And that's a big thing where you put external links. If they're selling something like affiliate products or our own products, it's very important to do that. You can do something like upload a video. Submit yourself a valid identification from to YouTube, and it usually takes a few days for them to verify your, or you can get a channel history, which simply means that YouTube has been active for about months. I mean, upload normal videos, then they will do this feature will be active on your channel. I usually go to video history route, but if you have links that you need to put in your videos from the start, be sure to go here and go do it. At this point, you need to optimize your channel. This extra setting will help your channel get more views and rank faster in the algorithm. Then go to the left and go to the setting, and then go to the channel, and first of all choose your country of residence for me, and in this section you should add keywords related to your channel. If you need help in this field, you can use ChatGPT help. You can write this phrase, give me 30 keywords about, for example, health, wealth, make money online, and etc. You can write the same topic in any topic you are working on, so that artificial intelligence will prepare keywords for you. Note that you must also include your channel name in this section. If you want to go one step future and find the best keywords to post here, you can use a tool called vidIQ. Then we want to go to advanced setting and choose if our channel is for kids, or select on this means this channel is not for kids, then click save. Next step, then we go to upload defaults, and from here we go to advanced setting, and then we choose the language of our video. This channel is supposed to be in English, and we choose only English language. And you also need to choose your channel category. Then you can click save. What we're going to do is customize our channel to get the most views, and that's pretty easy. Go to the left in YouTube Studio and go to the special sections of your channel. Click the add section, and I recommend adding popular one because your trending videos are like that for a reason, because they usually do well in the algorithm. So we want to drive people to the video that's on our channel to help you get more views. And you can add some playlist here if you want, and also special channels if you want. You can add a section when you make the change and a trailer, but initially we don't have any videos on this channel, and also a special video for subscribers. They keep coming back, and I just recommend picking one of your better videos for both of these. Right here I want to click on the first information, and this is where you can do things like change your channel name every 14 days on your YouTube channel if you want, or change your YouTube handles so that your handle is different from your username. Your handle is actually the same as your channel URL. If you like, you can add additional setting here, as well as add a description for your channel, which I recommend you fill in. You can get help from ChatGPT. Write a 20-50 word description about a YouTube channel called etc. For example, health, wealth, make money online, which teaches people how to make money online, and etc. and different tactics for doing a show. In this way, you can write a comprehensive descriptions for your channel, and this part is very important in optimization your channel. Only from the first paragraph we will take it and put in our channel. In this section you can scroll down and you can add links, for example other social media that you have, or if you have links to affiliate products or your own products, then I recommend adding some contact information. So you can simply put your email out there so people can contact you in their hour of need. And this is very important if, for example, sponsor wants to contact your other business deals you may want to know about. So make sure you start your channel. Go here, go to Earn tab, then scroll down. As you can see, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time to join YouTube partner. You can start earning from YouTube. Select email to receive an email once you meet the requirements. Don't forget to turn on the two-step feature in these sections. This will help keep your channel safe. Just click on and simply confirm your number.